Hi guys, this is 2006 Renault Kangoo. So this car had a problem is transmission oil leak. I can't find the where's the oil leak. So I'm going to put the camera in here and go to test drive it to find where's the leak. Okay guys, we found the problem. You can see the in here the breather lines. It's overfilling in here. When you get the pressure, you can see it's a breather getting overflow. There's a leak found. Okay guys, I put the breather in here, put the strip in that side. So okay, now why this happened is too much oil in the transmission, so that's why it's getting oil out in the breather. So I'm going to reduce the little bit transmission oil, maybe 1 liter. So then after drive, then have a look. Okay, that's enough. Then we go test drive and have a look after that is oil is leaking or not. Okay guys, after that test drive you can see the breather. It's okay, no any wet marks. Nothing. You can check the underneath. You can see the underneath after that drive. It's all wet. I put the water in there, but there no transmission fluid leaking. So all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.